Chase all this bread, though the shit won't last. About to shut the city down like a crypto crash.
Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.
We'll do it live. Like a crypto crash. House of Trades in the building. What's going on, brother? What's going on, ladies and gents? Let's go. Let's go. We got some trades to do. Man, it's been a rough one today and yesterday, guys. Listen, this is what we do. Show you the good, the gooder, and the uglier. You know what I'm saying? Man, so I know you guys have been seeing the markets just trend completely sideways. And we just actually, before going live, broke trend or broke channel, I should say. Hyben in the house. What's going on, Hyben? We just broke the channel to the downside on Ethereum and Bitcoin. And I'm going to show you the chart really quickly. But we definitely took some L's yesterday and over the night. Let me see if I can share my screen really quickly. Show you what's going on. So, as you guys can see here, we were in a trend, or a channel, I should say, pretty much the entirety of yesterday. We did drop down. Bloodalytics got that sell signal nicely, a double short. But then we entered this channel here, and we've been in this channel literally since 5 a.m. Monday until now. We dipped down a few times down there, but we've been in this channel for a whole 24 hours and some change. All right. And let me see, what am I doing here? Oh, I gotta stop. I gotta put my stop loss in on my shorts, but somebody came through and destroyed the building and just slammed us down. Now, I did catch this short, but I caught it late on the prop firm account because it's not automated. Now, my automated systems caught it immediately. Shout out to Blowfin. But we got some work to do here. We got to climb ourselves out of this over on Bitfunded, I should say. Check them out. Link is in the description below. I also put the QR code up for you to check it out. Basically, trade someone else's money with your strategy and make money from it. I mean, you get basically 80% of the profits if you can make it to stage 3 with a real funded account. I just started this literally 5 days ago, but that's including the weekend. So really, it's been 3 days of trading. and we're at about 2.5%. We were at 5%, but man, this back and forth has taken a toll on us big time. So we did take a step back today, as you guys can see right here. You'll see the equity curve slowly go down. Been going back and forth all yesterday, and then boom, took the gut punch right here. It won't let me zoom in. It'd be great if they let me zoom in, but we took a big hit this morning with that dump because we were long both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now we had to switch it around and go short, and I'm not convinced we're gonna stay short. Like, so, you know, this is the day before FOMC. It's choppy, or it's been calm, but it might get more choppy. Or did someone find out? Because remember, the meeting started Monday, I believe, and they don't come out with a statement until Wednesday, which we're going to be live streaming. Me, Rice, and I think Mind Your Biz. Shout out to those guys. Hit that like button as well. I didn't even get a chance to get my coffee. I had to get straight to it, guys. So we're short Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Just following the signal. This is why you keep your trade sizes small for these very reasons right here. When you get into sideways markets, you get into choppy markets, you can get through to the other side. You don't blow all your gains. So that's what we're doing. We're not trying to blow all our gains. So yeah, we'll trade it back up using the Bloodalytics signal for sure. All right, guys. Let's get into it though. We're gonna look at the FOMC stuff that's going on. Shout out to MGBX. Someone, and you guys got to kind of like double tag me on an email, either on Telegram, because I had a few people sign up for the free trial of Scalpalytics Pro with MGBX, but it was going to my spam folder. Yeah, it was going to my spam folder, guys. So you have to forgive me for that. So I did get you guys set up yesterday, or late last night. Actually, I got you set up for that. All right. So just, if you don't hear from me for a day or two, hit me back again, and I'll check my spam folders more frequently. We got Optimus Prime in the house. I'm out of all my trades, made 3% on Robinhood and 9% on the BlackRock spot Bitcoin. I'll wait until next week. You might be a smart man for doing that. You might be a smart man. Dave Digital in the building. Like number 3. Thank you, my friend. Let's go. Givers Gang in the building. So we are on our roll, on the way to stage 2 with the Bitfunded account using Bloodalytics swing trading. We're using this signal right here. It's a slower signal, better and more manageable for something like a prop firm. Or if you got the balls to really get in there and scalp trade, you can do that with the Scalpalytics. You can do your prop firm account with Scalpalytics as well. But we've been kind of going back and forth, guys, since yesterday. Double long here, boom, boom. Took a small profit here. As you guys see, took a small profit here on that double long, very small. But then we turned around and did double short and took an L right here. Then we went long, and now we're short. So now we're short. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. But you got to stay in the game. And the way you stay in the game is to have money to trade. So you got to have money to trade. Now, for my Scalpalytics people, shout out to you guys. I mean, House of Trades, man. I hope you're taking these trades. I hope you're in the house taking these trades, House of Trades. Short on Bitcoin this morning at 5:47 a.m. I wasn't up at that point, but if you're in the Eurozone, you should have taken this, and you are right on the cusp of taking that first 50% profit take right there. So that's a good trade. What about Ethereum? Ethereum went short, even earlier at about 3 o'clock a.m., 2:30 a.m. before the Eurozone, London zone opened up, but you will be in the money on that one too. Already taking 50% profits right there. Bada boom, bada bing. So Scalpalytics Pro is working. It's working for you. But again, I suggest doing these trades in the US zone or Eurozone, but I'm not going to get up that early to trade. So I specifically stick to the US zone. That's right. Bloodalytics printing money. Printer game is in the building. Yeah, man. So it's been a rough day for the swing trades because of the back and forth. A rough day and a half, just back and forth, not really any direction. I think we're not going to get anything really until after the meeting. And remember, the meeting normally with a big rate decision like we're having tomorrow, you might get the pump fake. You might get the markets going one direction for the entire day, like post 2 o'clock, and then the following day reverse course and goes the actual true direction it wants to go. So keep that in mind. Take your profits. If you are on the right side of the trades tomorrow, you want to take your profits, because 9 times out of 10 you get the reversal for the following trading day. So Thursday, you usually get that reversal the other way. High probability. I wouldn't say usually, but it's above 50%. It's definitely above 50%. One trade that I've mapped, and shout out to everyone who has joined the Telegram room. I sent a batch of emails out yesterday. Another wave will be going out today for those to join the Bloodalytics trading room. But let me show you this really quickly. This is pretty dope. So one of my, and I never put this out, I should have, but this World Liberty Finance, I mapped the Scalpalytics to this, and it has been killing it. Man, it's been killing it. Yesterday it did very well. And I've got this pegged to my Blowfin account, so it's automated. And I was just like, what's going on? I'm looking at the balance. I'm like, what's going on? Come to find out, World Liberty Finance is doing us something good, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I've been saying I was going to get this out to you guys, but I was doing a lot of back end admin work with Bloodalytics the last couple of days, so I haven't had the chance to. So hopefully I can get this out today to you. You can buy this pack. I call it the DGen pack. Scalpalytics Pro, World Liberty Finance. I'll get this out to you. It's just one chart, one pair, but it is doing very well. Doing very well. And I wasn't even showing the damn chart. I mean, look at those trades. Those are great trades. Scalping World Liberty Finance. So I'll be getting that out soon. I'll also be selling parameter packs. So the parameter packs, what that is basically a list. It'll be like a JSON file that you'll be purchasing, and it'll have like 5 to 10. I don't know the number yet, but I think it's going to be closer to 5 or 6 parameter profiles or lists. Let me show you an example. So it'll look something like this. Let's see if I can pull this up really quickly. It'll look something like this. A JSON file, and you still can't see my screen. I don't understand why you can't see my freaking screen. What is going on? Stop sharing. Let's try this again. Let's do window. Okay, there we go. So you'll get a JSON file, which is just basically an organized way for metadata to be displayed. So you get these, and it'll have like your factor, your PD. It'll have all the parameters that my system has gone through and actually found to be profitable for that pair. So I'll be selling, because you got to remember, Scalpalytics, it works actually just not on scalping. I just have it fine-tuned to scalp. But with that same system, I can add that or plot that to any asset. So we're going to have parameter packs for NASDAQ, for Spider, for a whole bunch of even Forex at some point. I'll be able to map those out. And all you'll do is add your Scalpalytics Pro will tell you what interval, what time frame that pack is for. It'll be like a 1 hour. It'll be whatever, we'll tell you what it's for, and you'll be able to add those parameters in there and get to trading. So this indicator is very powerful. So, you'll be able to go here, add this to your chart under invite only indicators and strategies. And then you'll be able to basically go into the settings and copy and paste all the parameters in there that we have in the pack. We'll give you 10, 5 to probably 6. It'll be 6 of them that you'll be able to play around with and for that particular pair and get to going. So red elephant in the building. Look out for that on the next probably 2 weeks. That part of Bloodalytics will be ready. We're looking like China as time goes on with all the censorship, and the citizens love it. You brushed up on your Mandarin. I need to, bro. Because it is definitely going down. It is definitely going down, my friend. But the censorship, come on now, Wisdom Bars. The censorship was at its peak during the Biden administration. Really wasn't that bad during Obama. But the left tend to lean towards censoring. But what happens at the end of the empire, both sides start to censor because they're trying to rein in and keep control. We'll be talking about the empire later today. I gotta do my bubble head is in the way, so I gotta do it for you. All right, we'll be doing a 3 Wise Man episode later today at 3 o'clock How fitting. 3 p.m. for 3 wise men. Round of applause. 3 p.m. for 3 wise men. Come back and check us out. I don't know where I'm going to be streaming this, actually. I might stream it on Red Nugent too. Not this channel. So if you, dang, I don't even have that available anymore. Just type in Red Nugent 2, like TOO, Red Nugent 2 on YouTube, and you should find that channel. Go subscribe to that channel as well. Let me see if I can bring it up. YouTube. I don't even know if this is the, nope, that's not it. I don't even know the URL for the bad boy. Good God. All right, so let me just do a search. Let's see if we can get there. There we go. There we go. There we go. The Red Nugent link is in the chat room right now. Oh no, that was a local top. We're going higher. Oh, you think we're going higher, huh? You know, NASDAQ hit all-time high yesterday. Here's the thing, man. This is what's disturbing about the whole situation. What's disturbing about the whole situation is the fact that you have an economy that is going this way, and you have a stock market that's going this way. And so Wall Street is eating like never before. Really, they haven't skipped a beat, honestly, since 08. I'm gonna be real with you. Like, if you own anything that is priced against the dollar, then you're doing fine. Stocks, crypto, now even gold. But Main Street is getting slaughtered. And it can only go the opposite way for so long before you have the social contract start to break down, and you start getting civil unrest. We're starting to see rumblings of that now. And so I don't know how long it's going to last, guys. Like, I'm not trying to be doom and gloom or sound doom and gloom, but I'm thinking that we're near the top of, and I'm not even talking about markets. I'm saying we're near the top of, or the end of, being able to hold this together, where stocks are going up like they are, and we have a situation where Main Street is struggling big time. It's only so much longer you can sustain those types of conditions, and I think once it breaks, these markets are going to get hammered. They're going to get hammered big time. So don't think that these markets that we're playing in is a safe haven. It's not. Yeah, exactly. Wasn't bars. You know, and it's getting bad when the right looks like the left and the left looks like the right. This shit is all upside down and all inside out. It is horrible. We got Trump buying companies publicly. He's putting billions in. He's buying 10% of a publicly traded company. Like, how does that even happen? I'm referring to IBM. How does that even happen? That is something the left would have done. Now we're seeing the right do it. And now we're seeing what the right would do. The left are trying to do. I don't understand, guys. I think this is the fourth turning, the end of the fourth turning, for sure. But we'll talk about all that in today's episode this evening. or afternoon or morning, depending on where you are. Come back and check us out at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, 3 Wise Man. We're getting it in. We're getting it in. But back to the trading. So I don't have a trade for you guys today per se, because we've pretty much missed the scalp trade for the day, which happened well before we went live. What happened this morning on Ethereum, and it happened at 6 a.m. this morning for Bitcoin. So I give you a Scalpalytics Pro signal today, unfortunately. And then I don't even think I have anything. I haven't looked at Moon. Let's look at Moonalytics, because Moonalytics got us kicked off with the prop firm account, and got us well into and on our way to getting funded. Let's take a look at what Moonalytics is up to. So I'm going to get back over here before we get out of here for today and take a look at Moonalytics. And let's see what we got going on for Moonalytics. Look at that. Moonalytics is killing it, man. So we went double long on the new moon, which was on September 7th. And look at this. I mean, it's been killing it. Up. Literally, if you would have bought that, you would be up almost 5% in that direction since that move. Ethereum, very similar, actually probably higher on Ethereum. So on the new moon on Ethereum, we got a peak of 11% on that trade. Come on, man. Come on, man. 11%. Now we're retracing now, but we took 50% off right here. 50% of our profits here. Very shortly after going long. Another 25% here with the TP long, and another 25%. So we're in good shape right there. Even if we retrace back to their stop loss line, we've taken significant amount of our profits already. So Moonalytics looking good. You guys interested in that? Hit that bloodalytics.com up and sign up for that signal. Don't have too many people signed up for that one, and you should definitely look into that one, because again, any of the signals you can map to anything you want to. You just got to tweak the parameters, but I'm giving you the Bitcoin and Ethereum parameter already set up on the trading view chart. Last piece of the puzzle. Let's do it, man. Come join the fam. Get yourself set up. What we're doing now, and I never even thought about doing this until Tyson Prosper, I think his name is. Tyson said something about it. I think Jason Lynn, someone else said something about it as well. Jason Lynn's about doing this with a prop firm, right? These prop firms out here, like Bitfunded. Why not just map it to a prop firm account? Say less is what they say. Say less, my guy. And that's exactly what we're doing now. So Bitfunded is the one I'm using right now. I know there are a few of them. I'm going to take a look at some of the other ones after we get this one funded. Link is in the description below for this one. But yeah, I'm using Bloodalytics to fund these prop firm accounts. Should be interesting. But it's going to be choppy. It is going to be choppy until tomorrow, and then we'll get a direction now. Again, I think you might get a whipsaw up after the news Now, let me ask you first, 25% basis point or 50 basis points? What are we getting tomorrow? Because that changes the dynamics. I think the market is really wanting 50 basis point because it's on drugs. It's on big time drugs. It needs that easy money. But what do you guys think? Type 1 for 25%, 25 basis points, or type 2 for 50 basis points? Type 3 for no change. Oh my Lord. Oh man, Trump might go put his paws on Jerome Powell. If that happens, we got an S chicken on Solana short that just popped up. Hyben and Optimus Prime both say 25 basis points. Yeah, I think it's going to be a 1. House of Trades thinks 50 basis points. I think it's going to be a 1 quarter basis point myself. Yeah, I really do. I think it's going to be a 1. If they come out with the 50 bagger, y'all, to the moon, it is going to take off. It's going to take off like Offset. It is going to take off. But if we get to 25 basis points, we might get a little pop and then a move down. Because think about what's happened since the new moon. We're looking at Moonalytics signal right now. This is a swing trading signal, so it's a lot slower, easier for you to manage your trades because it's not taking as many trades. And you can always set up alerts that get pushed to your Telegram, not your Telegram, your TradingView account. So once you sign up, you can set up alerts for any of the signals that we have here. So they'll get pushed to the phone. But this move here, I feel like this is kind of a preemptive move up to a basis cut. Like markets like to price stuff in. So I feel like this move up and, NASDAQ rallying to all-time highs yesterday. I just feel like it is kind of like a move up for a cut and then a move back down after the cut. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So because we've gone to the upside in such an extensive way over the past 8 days, I think we're going to get a move down. Couldn't it temporarily crash because it is showing fear that something is wrong if it's 50 basis points? No, good news is good news and bad news is bad news, my friend. We're at that point again. Your logic makes perfectly good sense. And in a normal situation, an unadulterated, unmanipulated market, yes, you're right. But this is the same scenario or situation we're in where we got the administration, Trump and others, saying that everything is good. Main Street housing market looks good, but we gotta call for what did they call it? In a state of emergency, something for real estate. Well, if everything is Gucci, what are we doing this for? Why are we declaring a housing emergency? It doesn't make sense. Who are they fooling? Who are they fooling? They're not fooling. Listen, they're fooling Wall Street. That's who they're fooling. Main Street is so bombarded with other things that they're not even paying attention to any of this stuff. So they're not even knowing what's going on. They don't know what a 50 or 20. They don't know any of this stuff. So they're fooling Wall Street. Main Street knows what's going on because they live in it firsthand. So there you have it, guys. Hit that like button. Our likes are down, man. We got a decent amount of people watching on YouTube. I don't know how many people we have over on X right now. Show me some love if you're watching on X. Shout a brother out. About 50 people over on X watching. Hit that like button. Retweet this if you're watching on X. Just hit that refresh button, that repost button there. Just do that. It don't cost you nothing. Just hit that and slide. Pause. It's your boy Crypto Blood. That's my I was gonna say 2 Satoshis. I haven't done those in a while. Not doing those. Not doing the 2 Satoshis anymore. Because I'm not, listen, the blockchain news ain't no news. It's just bull, it's just pure speculation. But it's Bloodalytics Live, free trades, none today. Gave you some winners yesterday. Hope you were able to take advantage of those. Let's see if we can do something tomorrow for sure. And I'll check you guys at 3 p.m. today, Eastern Standard Time. I'm out of here, people. Holla.
I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.